Welcome back to our Sparkplug channel. Today we are going to look at some important tools in Figma for beginners and see how to use them in detail. If you are using Figma for the first time, this video will be really useful for you. So let's jump straight into Figma on the screen and go through the tools step by step. First, the Move tool. You can select objects on the canvas, move them around and even resize them. How to use the Move tool? First, select the Move tool from the toolbar or just press B on your keyboard. Then click on any object on your canvas. Once selected, you can drag it around to move it anywhere. You can also resize it by dragging the corners while holding the Shift key to keep the proportions. And then Hand tool. This tool is mainly used to navigate the canvas. When you are working on large designs, it's really helpful for moving the screen left, right, up or down. You can select the Hand tool from the toolbar or press H on your keyboard. Then click and drag anywhere on the canvas to move your view. This doesn't affect your objects. And then Scale tool. Using the Scale tool, we can resize objects while keeping their proportions intact. Now let's see how to use the Scale tool. First, select the object or group of objects you want to resize. Then choose the Scale tool from the toolbar or press K on your keyboard. Click and drag the handles to resize the object proportionally. This keeps the object's width and height in balance so nothing gets distorted. It's especially helpful when working with icons, images or grouped elements. We will look at more Figma tools in the next video, so stay tuned. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel.